How to fix WhatsApp chat backup stuck or loading while uploading to the Google Drive on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the WhatsApp chat backup stuck on your loading screen or while uploading to the Google Drive on Android. So first thing, simply head over to your WhatsApp application, and inside WhatsApp application, as you can see, you might have faced the issue inside the chat backup while backing up. You might be stuck in this process. So to fix that, first thing you should do is simply head over to your browser, any of your browser, and make sure your Wi-Fi speed is fast. So simply select on fast.com, the first website, and once you click on it, check your website and make sure your Wi-Fi speed is running smoothly. And once you do that, the second thing you should do is simply long press on your WhatsApp application and click on I button. And once you do that, just make sure you allow everything in the permission section like this. Make sure you allow everything in the permission section, and once you do that, simply head over to your I button of your WhatsApp application and simply click on your battery section like this, as you can see, and just make sure it's selected in the unrestricted button, as this will allow this app to use battery in the background without any restrictions. Just keep in mind that may reduce your battery life. And once you do that, the final method you should do is simply head over to storage section and clear all the cache from over here, and you might remove every single background applications that may be running. And once you do that, you again need to come over to your WhatsApp settings, and inside your WhatsApp settings, simply click on your chats, and from over here simply click on chat backup and just click on backup, and this should fix your issue with backing up stocking on your screen. So just like this, wait for some time, and as you can see, our issue has been successfully fixed. So that is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.